What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about this post I saw on Facebook, how I guess this guy's neighbors decided that his car was too loud. Didn't decide to go to him, but hey, let's go directly for the car, fill the muffler tips with expanding foam. I mean, come on now, why would you do that? And then they left that note right there. It looked like it was written by a third grader, but I will translate it for you. It says, "I finally found you. You want our attention. You don't want our attention. You have 14 days to fix the mufflers or put the stock back on. Don't egg us on. You will only regret it. We encourage you to call the police, install video. Nothing will work. Middletown Police is that number right there. Fix your muffler." If it was down here in Texas, I mean, come on, we're a Second Amendment loving state, but I mean, I just can't believe that somebody went to that. I mean, the guy even said how, he'd be willing to fix it if they just asked. So I think they the person who wrote it kind of invited themselves in for drive-ins or cruise-ins where, a bunch of loud cars drive through the neighborhood just revving. It's already happened a few times here in Texas. And now that was for like a birthday, but then this lady came out, blocked the road, and they caused him to go back, and she actually sold her house because of it. But I am curious to see how this is going to end. Is the guy actually going to change his mufflers, leave this the way they are, get louder mufflers, get cutouts? That'd be actually really cool. But let me know what y'all think about this entire crazy story down in the comments. Have y'all ever had anybody vandalize your cars just because they said it was annoying, loud, ugly? Let me know down in the comments. Now, one thing I forgot to say in the video is the guy obviously wants to know who did this to his car. So if you know anybody who has talked about how they know a dude who did this, leave it down in the comments. I'll get in touch with the guy just because, we want to know who did this to his car. They deserve to pay because, that could have ruined the muffler. Hey, who knows? Maybe as soon as he turns his car on, the foam will shoot right out. But there's a good chance that ruined his muffler. So let me know down, or just send me a message on Instagram or in the comments if you know anything, and I'll be in contact with him. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.